Good morning everyone. My name is Manpreet Kaur from Akal Academy Kodivada. Dear students, today we are doing topic factors. Okay, so our topic is factors. We will do this topic in very interesting way. Okay, so let's start. Our topic is factors. How we can find out the factors of any number. Okay, so we are very first we are taking example. Okay, example of 6 means firstly we will find out the factor of 6. Okay, so let's start. Very first thing is I have 6 pens. I have 6 pens. Okay, so very first thing is I will take one glass. Okay, I will take one glass and I will put all these 6 pens into one glass. Okay, all these 6 pens into one glass. So I have put these all 6 pens into one glass. You know very well 1 is factor of every number. 1 is factor of every number. Okay, so very first factor of 6 is 1. Okay, 1 is factor of every number. Okay, so now our second step is we will take two glasses now. Okay, we will take two glasses. Now what is our work? We have to divide these all pens into two equal parts. Okay, we have to divide all the pens into these two glasses. Okay, you have to keep this in your mind that quantity of the pens should be same. Okay, so let's start. All 6 pens are used. Okay, so we have put 3 pens in this glass, 3 pens in this glass. Okay, so our all 6 pens are equally divided. Okay, we have divided 6 pens into 2 glasses. Okay, into 2 glasses. So 2 is what? 2 is factor of 6. Okay, 2 is factor of 6 because we have divided all the pens into 2 glasses. So 2 is factor of 6. Now dear students, what we do? We will take these 6 pens. Now firstly we have taken 2 glasses. Now we will take 3 glasses. Okay, 3 glasses. Now we have to divide all these 6 pens into these 3 glasses, but we have to divide equally. Okay, so let's start. One pen in first class, in second class, afterwards third class. In the same way, now we have to see, have we divided all these pens equally or not? See, in the first class also 2 pens are there. In the second class 2 pens. In the third class also 2 pens are there. So we have divided these all 6, means number 6 pens into 3 classes. So in each class there are 2 pens. Now what is our work? Work is we have divided all these 6 into 3 equal parts, into 3 equal. Okay, so what it means? It means 3 is also factor of 6 because we have divided all 6 pen into 3 glasses. So 3 is factor of 6. Okay, so now we will take it. Our next step is, now we will take 4 glasses. Okay, now we will take 4 glasses. Now what we have to do? Same procedure. We have to divide all these 6 pen, number 6, all 6 pens into 4 glasses. Okay, so let's start. 1 in first glass, second glass, third glass, fourth glass. Now students, see, we have put one pen in each glass, but 2 pens are left. 2 pens are left. If we put this pen into one glass, in this glass, but in these 2 glasses only one pens are there. In these 2 glasses 2 pens are there. So these in the 4 glasses we can't divide to the number 6 equally. We can't divide now. So 4 is not the factor of 6. 4 is not the factor of 6. Okay. Next, see, we do same procedure for number 5. Okay. For number 5 means we will take 5 glasses. We will take 5 glasses. Okay. Now we again same procedure. We have to divide all these 6 pens into 5 glasses. Okay. So let's start. 1 in first glass, second glass, third glass, fourth and fifth. Now students, see, we have divided 5 pens. What 1 pen is left? 1 pen is left. If I will put 1 pen in any of each glass, then there will be 2, means See, if I will put in the first class 2 pens, but in this one pens, but in this 2 pens, so these all 6 number we can't divide into the 5 classes. So 5 is also not the factor of 6. Okay, factor of 6 only then when we will divide equally. Okay, now we will do same procedure for 6 classes. Okay, for 6 classes we will do same procedure. 4, 5 and 6. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to do this number 6, these 6 pens into these 6 classes. These are 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so let's start. 1 in first pen, second pen in second class, third, fourth, fifth and 6th. Now see, all these 6 pens in these 6 classes means in each glass contain 1 pen, means we have divided equally. We have divided equally because 1 pen in each glass. So 6 is, now we can say 6 is factor of 6. So dear students, we have to see that if we have to find out the factors, then we see factors only till that number. Means if we are going to find out the factor of 6, then we will see up to 6 only. Because number 7, number 8, big number 9, 10, these not are factors of 6. Just we have to see up to the number 6. We start from 1. 1 is factor of every number. Okay, afterwards we will see only up to that number. Okay, for example, if you have to find out the factors of 8, then what you will see? So firstly, you will do same activity, same procedure, but up to 8 number only. Okay, start from 1 and up to 8 number only you will see. Okay, so this is your homework. You will find out the factor of 8. Okay, you will find out factor of 8 by using this activity. Okay, so this is your homework. Thank you. Have a nice day.